Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the computer chip in Subnautica below zero. So let's begin. When you get out of your drop pod, go towards the shallow area where you can see the mountains. Go a little bit to the right because there's a deeper section. Here you'll see veins with gold and silver ore. Now you'll need a copper wire for the computer chip, which is found in these limestone outcrops. Also, there's a chance to drop the titanium, so be sure to break as many as you need. Now, you'll just need the table coral, which is found in the deeper sections of twisty bridges. As you can see, I've already found it. Just grab out your survival knife and cut it out. Now we can go back to our drop pod. Once we are back, we'll use the fabricator to make our copper wire. And now we can craft the computer chip, which is especially useful for crafting more advanced tools like the habitat builder or progressing further in the game. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.